I feel like I have an obligation in my family to take care of my family. My 9 to 5 job, these pennies that I'm making, this is not going to do it. I follow the typical path that most people do. Like after high school, went to college, got a degree, and I didn't grow up in a rich family. I didn't grow up in a broke family. At a certain point, though, we were pretty poor at one point. But going through that, like, I don't ever want my kids, my future wife, my parents to be in a situation where, like, I won't be able to help them. You can get to the same spot that very successful people are in. Being in this type of community, it's almost like, it's weird. I see it like it's like a secret society that we have. 18 months ago, I didn't even know how to run a Facebook ad. I'm very, very thankful to be where I'm at right now. There's nothing else I want to do.